how you can fix you not being able to sign in into your Apple ID and it says authentication failed error. So I'll teach you guys how to fix that, but before that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is you'll need to make sure that you have a really strong Wi-Fi connection. So just check your Wi-Fi, and after you check your Wi-Fi, you're good to go. So now what you'll need to do is just go to check your software version. Make sure that you're up to date, and after you're up to date, what you'll need to do is just go to your general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset. Now you'll need to reset your network settings, or if you'd like, you can just reset all of your settings too. After you do that, your network, your Wi-Fi, your VPN, your proxy, all of the settings will get reset, and your iPhone will just start taking your authentications. So if that does not work, the issue might be on the Apple server itself. So you need to just wait for a few more minutes or hours till they fix their servers, and after you do that, you can just go to your Apple ID, sign out and sign in back again, and your problem will get fixed and you'll be able to sign in. So that is basically it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.